What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tatiana, and I'm here doing a how to make cute and simple thumbnails for y'all. This video was definitely asked for. So first we will go into Phonto. As you can see, I am doing the just white image. I will change my size to 1280 over 720 because that's the thumbnail size. Change my color. You can do any color you want. I just chose these colors because I want to choose them. But you can do any color you want. And then now I'm doing gradient. You can do any gradient you want, any pattern. I'm just showing you the ones that's up there and seeing which one looks best. So I'm going to press apply, press use, and then I'm going to use it. I'm going to save this to my camera roll. So with this, I went back to Phonto and did just a white one the same way. And then I went to Picsart, put the one I just made in the Picsart and size it to where it needs to be. I put the opacity down a little bit. And then next I go to apply and save it. So next I'm going to remove background. So I went to BG background remover. I can't spell, y'all. RemoveBG.com or remove.bg. Y'all see it, but I'm going to remove my backgrounds from my pictures. This is free, 99. You know I like free 99. Free everything. If it's free, it's for me, period. But now I'm just removing my backgrounds and I'm just going to show you. Now, as you can see, I'm saving them to my camera roll because they don't save, they just download. So that's what I am doing now. Then we're going back to Picsart. Right here, just showing you the little thing I put in there. So I would just search up in stickers. I will put GFX effect. And then you'll see which ones I use on the top right. That's the one I use. And yeah. And then next, it'll show you me putting it on the thing right here. And I just size it up. Usually I put the opacity down. So now what you see me doing is adding my pictures that I just downloaded with the background off of it. So right here, I don't choose all 3 pictures, just 2 pictures that I like best. And I put the border on them. And when I say the border on the bottom, I put the border on them. So that'll be good and cute, period. And one of these I flip to put on the other side, and you will see that in a minute. How I flip it, I go over down to the picture I want to flip, and then I'll go over to all the way to flip and rotate all the way on the end, and that's how I flip the photos. So you will see in a little bit. Right now, I am just seeing where I want to put them because I have to put the words on there too. So that's why I had to take into consideration where I want to put it at. And yeah, so I would just flip that photo. You see, I just flipped it. I went to flip, rotate, and then I went to the third one, and it flipped like that. So cute, so cool. And now I'm just making sure they're up to par before I press apply and I can save. Yeah. And now I am going to Phonto. I will put the image that I just saved. It should be at the top. So next I will put the words for my thumbnail. So I will put KFC's famous bowl mukbang. I don't know how to say it. Mukbang, whichever one it is. But I just put KFC's famous bowl mukbang. Press font, and I did blacklisted because that's all my thumbnail font, because I don't want all of them to be different. I want all of them to be the same. And then I'll just size it up, press size, and then put it down. Then I will go to style. Well, size it where I want to be at. Go to style, press stroke, get a black stroke, and press it to 15. I did 11 right there, but 15 is going to be 15 in a minute. But and I'll choose the color. So what I did was go to color pattern on the bottom and choose the color from my letters. And I did gradient. I pressed apply, and I wanted it to be a thicker stroke, so I put 15. Press done, and I'm done. I pressed it, and I saved it after I was done with this. So yeah, save it to my camera roll. So next we are going back to Picsart. We're going to get that same photo that we just saved right there with the letters on it. And then we're going to put our camera frame overlay. So you can pick which one you like. I just like the one that I have already been saving, been doing. So I will put that on there, and you'll see that in a little bit. Yep, there we go. Put that, make it fit as so. And then next we're going to apply it, and then we're going to do emojis. So I just put in cute emojis. It didn't show up, but I just put in cute emojis or food emojis, and then they came up. Bubble text, it is going to be yummy. I don't know why I was looking and it was already yummy on the top, but it's all right. But it's going to be yummy, and yeah, you'll see it in a minute. All right, guys. So right here, you see me just putting the yummy and the emoji to where I want it to be. And when it's done, I will press save, or I'll press apply. Then I'll go over to effects, go over to recent, I will do HDR1, and it will make it high definition, because baby, that's what we want, high definition, period. Then we'll save that, and then we're done with our thumbnail. Ain't it so pretty, y'all? Look at me. I look good on a period. Thank you for watching.